Good morning everybody, Mr. Influenced here, back at it again with another video. Today's topic is going to be the market overall. It looks like we've had a pretty nice bounce back. We have a lot of stuff in the positives, something we haven't seen in a while. But yeah, we have some nice strong buying support. Let me just drag this from my other screen. Boom, if you guys can see this, look at all this buying support we've had here. Looks less than, actually no, we've had some bigger green candles than we've had the past couple of days of red candles. The last big red candle we've had was back here, and it recovered from that. That's in the around the 10-2 region. So we went as low as, I believe we went around 7.5 last night. That's where we hit that big bounce back. We had a lot of buy orders go through there. A lot of people must have had buy orders ready for that. And same thing over here. I guess it tried dumping again. Some big person, well, some big sell order went through over here. Nice big red candle. But from there, we've had some nice buying support. Definitely watching these levels. If it could break this, then we're gonna see this uptrend to continue. If we simply cannot break past this, we could test these lower levels once again. But overall, I like what I'm seeing with all the volume. And yesterday, during my live, I believe the market cap was 428 billion. So we're up by 35 billion in the market cap. Bitcoin dominance at 34.5%. Not too bad. I actually don't want this number going higher, as pretty much I would rather Bitcoin to like move away from all the alts. Like that would be the best bet, so that this whole market wouldn't move based on Bitcoin. But for now, that's what it is. Ethereum seemed to break away from that quite a bit, this correction or crash, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we still see some pretty good prices from what we've seen weeks ago. I'll show you guys one that I picked up more of, and you know it's my baby Electroneum. Got the HODL shirt on. I'll wear this any day. I don't care if I have to wear it 2 days in a row. As long as it's clean, I'm wearing it. I love it. It looks good. It looks good under. It even looks good under this. Like, it's awesome. But yeah, so we hit a low of 5 cents yesterday on Electroneum. Yeah, but we got some news about the, well, we got an update on our website on electroneum.com. So that's what it was, and it basically, I guess it showed some people, it opened their eyes a little bit and showed how hard these guys are working, because a lot of people got back in that were dumping over here. This was a pretty big dump. It went to 23 cents, so currently it's still around 4 times less than its high. I picked up another 20k of Electroneum. Yeah. So let's just hope that that's the market turnaround. Let's go check out some news. Let's go see what's in the news today. Bitcoin mining comes to New York as lawmakers approve power allocation. What? Wait, what? Bitcoin mining comes to New York. Wow. That's surprising, because I'm personally an electrician. I work in New York all the time. Like every day I'm in New York City for a couple of hours working on cell sites. And from what I've been hearing is that New York's actually, New York actually needs to get another power plant because they don't have enough power. So I don't know, I would have to look more into this. This could be, you know how you guys see like a bunch of FUD going on, and a lot of times the news is like over exaggerated or very twisted around. They take it like, it's not full fake news all the time, but a lot of times a lot of stuff is twisted up, and it either is going for the bad or the good side. But let's look more into this. Cloud mining service Coinmama has won approval to take over an abandoned smelter for Bitcoin mining operations on Tuesday, January 30th. As local news broadcaster, whoa, that's WWNY TV reports, Thursday, along with the local government documentation, lawmakers in upstate New York voted in favor of awarding subsidiary North Country Data Center 15 megawatts of low-cost power. So, the operation should involve the $165 million investment in infrastructure from Coinmama and the creation of 150 jobs for the population of the nearest town, Masena, and the surrounding area. So that's cool. That's actually something good to see. I also saw we also saw this article last night. Charlie Lee bullish on Bitcoin and Litecoin long term. Short term impossible to predict. Yeah, short term is very media and rumors. It's like it's straight media and rumors. Now, I'm not your financial advisor. I have to tell you guys this. Don't go by anything that I say. This is like me doing research, me telling you guys what I think. That's all it is. But yeah, don't invest anything you're not willing to lose. That's stupid. Another big topic that I saw the other day is that credit cards. Credit cards are now going to be getting declined by Coinbase and all this other stuff. And I think that's also a good thing, because people shouldn't be taking out credit in order to invest. You know what I mean? Invest only what you're willing to lose. And I'm pretty sure many successful investors, none of them took out credits for investing. That's just bad. No matter how good your trade is, no matter what news you have or what rumors you have, or like what inside information you got or something like that, you don't want to be taking out money you don't personally own. And then let's say worst comes to worst, company doesn't work out, and you're not only do you lose all that, you don't make no profit, and now you have to pay back with an interest rate. So debit cards, I think, should stay and are staying for now, as we saw. But CNBC's Ran Nooner says Bitcoin will end 2018 at 50,000. So we have all the 50,000 predictions back at it again. Way less FUD in the market from what I've seen so far. 9.4, nice. Yeah, pretty nice bounce back. As you guys saw in the past 7 days, a lot of these down are like 20+%. The last 2 weeks have been pretty bad for us. I mean, I know our blockfolios are definitely not looking very good. So I saw this, but I didn't even look into it. I might, as Zcash has a very low supply. And let's see, what's the price right now? $396. Wow. Definitely liking all this. All right, maybe we'll pick up at least like 2 Zcash. Look more into it. We'll see. But I can't see the article about, look, Wyoming token news. There we go. Wyoming lawmakers want exemptions for ICO utility tokens. Lawmakers in Wyoming have filed a bill that, if approved, would exempt some creators and sellers of blockchain tokens from securities regulations. The bill, which according to the public records has a total of 12 sponsors signed on thus far, would exclude a developer or seller from the applicable securities laws provided they meet certain conditions, namely that the token they're offering isn't being offered as an investment and that the token can be exchanged for something. In other words, that it has some kind of utility. The exemption would also only apply in the event that the seller or developer has not entered into a repurchase agreement of any kind, or 12 entered into an agreement to locate a buyer for the token. Additionally, the Wyoming bill also lays out an exemption from being classified as a broker-dealer in relation to the token, provided that they meet the standards listed above. Certain parties are excluded from the bill, namely banks and other financial institutions such as credit unions and savings and loan associations. Past legislative efforts have focused on easing the regulatory environment around uses and development of the tech. In January of last year, for example, lawmakers filed a bill that would make digital currencies a permissible investment for money transmitters. public records show that the effort of ultimately failed to pass. So we have that over here. Alright, and why I find this interesting is that, yeah, like, why would utility tokens be treated as you know what I mean? They're a utility. Treat them as a utility. I think I'm very with that. But yeah, I wanted to talk about something. Yes. Alright, I have this on my phone and I could get to it a lot faster. But I was just scrolling around, and as an investor or trader, you should keep in mind all of the markets. You should keep in mind NASDAQ, Dow J, NYSE, all this stuff, the Forex market. You should be paying attention to pretty much everything. News, rumors, a lot of this stuff is moved by rumors. So is the stock market, though. The stock market's moved on rumors. But from looking at the 2-year chart or the 1-year chart, NASDAQ, for example, looks like it has a pretty clear, let me see if I could show you guys this, because we have all these Wall Street guys coming over and trying to scare everybody away from this Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. But what I think they were trying to do, and remember, this is only my opinion. Look, let's look at the 2-year. Actually, better yet, let's look at the 8-year. Update chart. Alright, is this 8-year? Alright, so as you can see, it looks like the stock market has been on a pretty big bull run itself. So they're over here calling our market a bubble. They're calling this new thing that barely has any market cap still, not even in the trillions yet. They're trying to take it down. Look at that clear, like, I don't know, that looks like a tippy top to me. And we haven't seen like, the stock market's just been doing too good for like the past 10 years. Something to look out for. The reason why Bitcoin was made was so that people have another option instead of the normal fiat and stocks and all this stuff. That's why it was made. I believe so. It's a new market. It's new technology. It's something new for the people. And the best thing is, it's not in the hands of these Wall Street guys and manipulators that, like, I don't know. I just think that basically what I'm trying to get at is, I believe that if the stock market goes down, then we're going to see a lot of money coming into crypto. And that could be a whole lot of money, because as you know, Bitcoin was created after the stock market crash. The last one, I believe 2007, 2006, one of those years. I'm not very good at my dates. I should start writing stuff down. But that's when it was created, and the whole purpose was basically something else for the people, something that's not connected, and it's not connected. So if we see money start disappearing out of the stock market and coming into here, it'll impact it in such a big way. It will be the biggest like rises we'll ever see, if it all comes at once, if it all starts coming at once. And that's what I think would happen once people would see that this thing is like falling below here. Like, if it takes one major dip, I think it's just gonna keep dipping and dipping and dipping, because now people have something else to get into, and they know it's nowhere close going with the stock market. It's like rivals. But this video is getting very long, and I could keep talking forever. But yeah, if you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and comment with something intelligent about cryptocurrency and what maybe you've learned in the past 24 hours. Share your knowledge. If you haven't already, join our Telegram. I believe we're at, haven't checked it this morning, Hold on, I'm connecting. This video is getting so long. Hurry up. Oh, and if you haven't already, join us on Steemit. Join us on Steemit. You get to post and earn for your posts. So I just wanted. Alright, so yeah, we just hit 150 members in our Telegram, which is awesome. Oh, we got 8 followers. Nice. I'll be following everybody back that follows me on Steemit. Everybody gets a chance to grow on here. This is a platform that, like, I talked about it in my other video, but look how much these guys are earning. All you have to do is make some good posts, and I know a lot of you guys have some good information. Put it in your own words, put some content out. If you can't do YouTube, do Steemit. Start earning some crypto. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.